Ciao and welcome to Italy to Love. We're here to share the beauty, culture, and hidden treasures of Italy with you. Hit subscribe and let's explore Italy together. Imagine Rome, transformed into a glowing wonderland. Cobblestone streets twinkle with lights, the air fills with roasted chestnuts, and ancient history meets festive magic. This isn't just a holiday, it's an unforgettable experience. Rome offers a unique blend of sacred and festive. The heart of Catholic Christianity celebrates with deep spiritual significance, alongside vibrant markets and stunning decorations. It's truly a one-of-a-kind Christmas destination. Here's a secret: December means fewer crowds and lower prices. You'll experience iconic sights like the Sistine Chapel and Trevi Fountain without the summer rush. Enjoy Rome as the locals do, with warmth and authenticity. Forget freezing temperatures. Rome's mild Mediterranean climate averages 12 to 15 degrees Celsius. It's perfect for exploring all day in cozy sweaters, adding to the romantic atmosphere. The official Roman Christmas season runs from December 8th to January 6th. This entire period is magical, offering different vibes depending on your visit. Early December brings fewer tourists and great deals. Christmas week is deeply spiritual, culminating in midnight mass at the Vatican. For the full experience without Christmas Day closures, aim for December 20th to 23rd or December 27th to 30th. Piazza Navona transforms into a spectacular Christmas market. Find handcrafted nativity figurines, traditional Italian decorations, and delicious roasted chestnuts. It's a bustling, uniquely Roman carnival atmosphere. Experiencing Christmas at the Vatican is a lifetime opportunity. Witness the massive Christmas tree and nativity scene in St. Peter's Square. Consider attending the Pope's Urbi et Orbi blessing on Christmas Day. The Spanish Steps receive a stunning festive makeover. Elegant trees and cascading lights create a beautiful backdrop for photos and romantic strolls. Don't miss the illuminated Trevi Fountain nearby. Discover Rome's elaborate precipi or nativity scenes. From the Basilica di Santa Maria Maggiore to the 100 Precipi exhibition, these artistic displays are a cherished Roman tradition. Christmas in Rome is a culinary delight. On Christmas Eve, enjoy the traditional Feast of Seven Fishes. Christmas Day brings hearty meals like capelletti in brodo and roasted lamb. Pack layers, comfortable waterproof shoes, and modest clothing for church visits. Book accommodations and popular tours early, especially for Christmas week. Many restaurants close on December 25th, so plan ahead. Christmas in Rome is more than a holiday, it's a journey into Italian tradition and spirituality. From St. Peter's Square to Piazza Navona, every moment is touched by magic. You'll create memories that last a lifetime. Ready to plan your magical Roman Christmas? Click the links in the description to book your Christmas walking tour, reserve your Vatican Christmas Eve experience, or find the perfect hotel. Don't wait, secure your unforgettable holiday today. Visit more on italy2love.com.